Hi, I'm just Two Hands, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of this soldering station holder desk clamp alligator clip. And this can be bought from AliExpress for around €25, and that's including postage. So this is the box that it comes in, just plain cardboard box. So we have the clamp itself. So this is where you'll be adjusting it to clamp it to the desk or wherever you may want it. It's made of metal by the looks of it, and feels quite a strong, sturdy clamp. And also included is 6 alligator clips, 2 spanners and a few screws in 2 separate packets, and 4 arms that can be adjusted to whatever angle you want to set them to for holding a small PCB board or anything like that. So we go ahead and we'll set this up now. And it seems like they just slot in here, and then these screws just seem to go inside. So it's like maybe just stop that from going anymore. So there we go, we have it set up now, and we do get 2 spare alligator clips in case you need them if one breaks or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and we'll try and hold a small board or something like that. Okay, so I don't have a small PC board handy anywhere, so I'm going to go ahead and just use this bottom off a jigsaw. As you can see, it's well able to hold that piece of flat metal plate there, and that's not going to go anywhere. So if you have a small PC board on it and doing a bit of soldering or whatever, you'd be well able to do repairs on it without going all over the place. And that's the review of the soldering station holder alligator clip desk clamp. If you're interested in buying this, you can purchase it from AliExpress for around €25–26, and as usual you'll find a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching.